Girl, why does my son have the worst room in the house? When we first moved in, I really didn't get the chance to make my son's room feel super special. And now that he's 3, I think it's time we give him an upgrade. Welcome to episode 1 of my toddler's room makeover series, where I'm turning his 0 personality room into the car's room of his dreams. You guys seen in our pre-episode that we're going with this peel and stick wallpaper by lovevsdesign, which just screamed cars. But now we have to get to painting, which is my least favorite part. So before we started painting, I had to take this wire cover off of the wall, and y'all, it tore the whole wall up, bro. I was so stressed. Like, maybe it's a design I shouldn't do it. But knowing one thing about me is that I'm gonna push through. So after quickly disassociating, we decided to pivot and just paint the rest of the walls until our Lowe's order got delivered and I was able to tackle this wall situation. And y'all, at this point, just call your girl a contractor because I really did my big one on this wall. If y'all want a more in-depth tutorial on how to repair drywall damage like that, let me know and your girl can hook you up. Because after painting, these are how the walls turned out, and you wouldn't even know there was some damage there, girl. Yeah, I did that. Lastly, we went ahead and just installed the window treatment, some blinds, and some curtains. And y'all, I'm obsessed. This is gonna be such a perfect space for his room. I promise y'all we're adding life and color, but this is just a great starting point. Now make sure y'all stay tuned for episode 2 because taking apart my son's crib had your girl crying.